I am really interested in creating fictional narratives or scenarios that provoke exercises of collective imagination. My practice centers on iconographies of power and our relationship with them. I try to find playful ways of resignifying and reevaluating symbols that have been inserted into urban landscapes, built space, and embedded in a way into collective consciousness. Symbols in architecture that perpetuate narratives of power that the audience is then invited to kind of ruin and destroy. I work mainly across sculpture, and most recently I have incorporated edible materials such as sugar, chocolate, gelatin sometimes, to create immersive installations that invite the audience to actively participate in the destruction of these symbols through consuming, eating, digesting, metabolizing, and ultimately excreting them. To fantasize with the idea of destroying these elements of power and domination.